Are you struggling with what is AI, SEO, how to get your website ranked in JBT, Gemini, or Copilot? So in this video, I'm going to demystify this and help you get ranked in all these AI platforms. Hello, my name is Uzzair and thanks for joining in. Everybody wants to get ranked in Google and now the AIs. But how do you go about doing that? And it all comes back to creating high quality content. And by content, what I mean is creating a piece of content, be it video, text, or an image, which solves a problem for somebody. So you must do that. So I'm creating content like this video or a blog on our website, which will help my visitors to my website with digital marketing. So you got to first know your pain points of your customers. What are their problems, challenges? What keeps up awake at night? What are their goals? And what are they trying to achieve? Once you know that, then you create content around it. And hopefully you will start to get ranked. And if you then put it up on social media, you start to get shares, likes, and subscribes. Your brand is going to grow. You're going to get clicks from those platforms to your website and hopefully get more leads or sales. So here's how you can get ranked in all these AI platforms. So you need to focus on building your EAT, E-E-A-T, which is your experience, expertise, authoritativeness, and trustworthiness. So these are the 4 factors which Google as well as all the AI platforms look at and then rank you or don't rank you, depending on what you've got. So let's start with your experience. So show them your real world experience as to who you are, what you do. Share stories, your case studies, proven results. On our website, we've got a page called Happy Clients, where we've showcased their case studies. We've taken screenshots from social media where somebody has said something nice about us, Google reviews, all of these, put them up over there, because that is going to show people that this is who you are, what you do, and you got proven record to help somebody in that niche. So that is your experience. The next one is expertise. You got to demonstrate that expertise. Just like I'm demonstrating my expertise as a marketer in this video. So I've been doing video marketing for a long time. We've got over, how many now? 38,000 YouTube subscribers and over 2,000 videos on our website and YouTube. So I create videos like this to help my audience with their problems and hopefully build trust. And the only way you can build trust is when somebody knows you, comes across you, then they start to like you, follow you, and then they trust you. So without the know, like, and trust, nothing is going to happen. You're not going to get any conversions. So any deep industry knowledge, credentials, expert insights you may have, put it out there. Because what you got to do is what's in here, you got to digitalize yourself, right? And then get the word out there, because if it stays everything in here, nobody will know how good you are, how clever you are, the solution you have got, and how it can help them with their solution. Then the next thing is the authority. You've got to be authority, or any mentions by other people, experts, blogs, or social media channels. If you got mentioned on CNN, BBC, or any other industry websites, mention it. Citations, any recognitions or awards you received from within your industry. So that establishes you as an authority in your niche. So we've got our Google Premier Partner badge, which we are super proud of. We've got a YouTube Certified badge, which we are very proud of. We showcase it everywhere. And the search engines and the AI bots, they see it, right? So you've got to showcase it. So don't be shy of publishing what you achieved. You should be proud of these things. Then the last thing is the trustworthiness. Building trust is the most difficult and the most important thing, because without trust, nobody is going to buy from you. Why do we trust Amazon so much? Even though they are not the cheapest. You know that. Amazon is not the cheapest. So even if you were to buy, let's say, this pencil or a pen, and it was cheaper on some other site than Amazon, you will still probably go to Amazon because we trust them. We know if when they say you'll have it next day, you will have it. You know that if there's a problem with the order, you will get a full refund without any issues or hassles. You know that the platform is secure and safe for any transaction. You won't get scammed. Your details won't be stolen. All these factors matter because it builds trust, and it has taken them a long time to build that trust. It hasn't happened overnight, and it will be the same with you as well. That you've got to keep building that trust. And to build trust, in my experience, the cheapest, quickest, fastest way to build trust is to create videos like this. Video is a platform which will build trust instantly. We get all our leads and our customers pretty much from YouTube and through video because they see me. You are watching me right now. You spent the last 7 minutes or so watching this video. Videos are kind of like my sales team. I've got over 2,000 of them working 24/7, 365 days a year without any holidays or breaks or sick pay. They're out there. And the more content I create, the more salespeople I'm putting out there to sell me and sell my business. So I would highly recommend that you start your video marketing journey because it really does help build trust. So these are all the signals to the AI, and it tells them that you are a trustworthy and a reliable source to rank. So all these positive reviews, expert content, and your website is secure, fast, mobile friendly. All of these factors matter and help you get ranked in Google and in the AIs. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I truly appreciate if you could give it a little like, thumbs up, or a subscribe. Thank you for being here, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one.